Hey Nutri-Gems family, welcome back to your ultimate source for fun and fascinating nutrition facts. Today, we're diving into some mind-blowing nutrition trends that will not only boost your health, but also keep you excited about eating right. Let's jump right in. The magic of microgreens. First up, let's talk microgreens. These tiny powerhouses pack a punch. Studies show that microgreens can have up to 40 times more nutrients than their mature counterparts. That means a small handful of these beauties can give you a vitamin boost like no other. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or even sprinkle them on your avocado toast for a nutritious crunch. Dairy-free delights. Dairy alternatives are all the rage right now. From almond milk to oat milk, these plant-based options are perfect for those looking to cut down on dairy without sacrificing flavor. Plus, they're often fortified with calcium and vitamins D and B12, making them a fantastic choice for bone health. And guess what? They're great in your morning coffee too. Superfood smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are not just Instagram-worthy. They're also a super nutritious meal option. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins, they can keep you full and energized. Blend up some acai, add your favorite fruits, top it with granola, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Not only does it look amazing, but it also tastes divine. Fermented foods like kimchi, kombucha, and sauerkraut are gut health superstars. They're rich in probiotics, which are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. A happy gut means a happy you, so don't be afraid to add a bit of tangy ferment goodness to your diet. Your stomach will thank you. Yes, you heard it right. Flowers you can eat. Edible flowers like nasturtiums, pansies, and marigolds are not only gorgeous, but also add a unique flavor to your dishes. They're rich in antioxidants and can make your meals look like a masterpiece. Try adding them to salads, desserts, or even cocktails. Lastly, let's talk about the latest tech in nutrition. Apps that help track your macros, smart scales that analyze your food's nutritional content, and wearable devices that monitor your hydration levels are all part of the new wave of health tech. These gadgets can provide personalized insights to help you stay on top of your nutrition game effortlessly. So there you have it, Nutri-Gems. 6 marvelous nutrition trends that are not only healthy but also super fun and exciting. If you loved these facts, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's make healthy eating a thrilling adventure together. Until next time, stay nutritious and fabulous.